This is just a quick video. I know a lot of you guys are probably using iMovie right now to make videos for your classes to upload to your Google Classroom or YouTube. I've heard some people say that they're having trouble because iMovie is outputting a file that's just so big it's taking forever to upload. And so I want to show you today how to go ahead and make that a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller file. That way it'll upload quicker and doesn't take up quite as much space on your computer. So you'll see here I've got a file going. You might have some edits in there. You might have cut some stuff up. But this is just our basic edit. I didn't actually do any work on this, so it is a 17-minute video, so it's a long one. Now, when you want to go ahead and export this, you're going to go to File, you're going to go down to Share, and then it gives you some options. YouTube, I've not had good success with that. Most of the time when I try to do it that way, it fails, and that would be sending it straight to the website. So instead, let's go down to File, and then it's going to bring up this dialog box. Now, if you want to, you can scrub through here and kind of see your stuff, but the real information we need is right here, okay? So we want to make sure we're getting audio and video, because if you've talked in your video, you make sure that gets in there with the actual video content. Resolution probably defaults to 1080p, and that's okay. 720p would work, but it's not quite as crisp and clear as we want. Now, here's the kicker. Right now, this is 2.61 gigabytes, okay? And my quality is set at high. So if I take this and I drop it down to low, it goes down to 892 megabytes. Interesting. Now, what we can do actually is come down here to custom, and we can change it. So right now, you see it jump back up to 2.61. It's at 20 megabits per second. Now, that might not mean much to you. What you need to know is YouTube says it only needs 8 megabits per second to have a video. And actually, when you upload to their website, it compresses it down to 8. So we're going to take this little slider. We're going to slide it on down to about 8. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? And you'll see now my 2.61 is only 1 gigabyte. And that's for an entire almost 20-minute video. So that's going to be really helpful for you. So I hope this helps. I hope that this saves you some time and effort. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.